Welcome back. We're a few minutes away from the opening bell on Wall Street. Seeing futures trying to stabilize a little bit after Monday's big sell-off. But guys, let's dive into some earnings here first. Hottest ticker on our site amongst many is Palo Alto Networks. Cybersecurity play really hit a lot of key buttons here. Strong revenue growth, good profit numbers. Also uncorked a 3-for-1 stock split. Looking at a good note from the team over at Citi saying the stock split might just help bring more incremental investors into the name, or what has been a very good growth name over the past year.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of headway here, especially within the cybersecurity landscape. You've got companies beefing up so much of their infrastructure as they either have concertedly moved towards the cloud and leveraged a lot of that data center presence that needs even more layers of protection as they add on more team members or accounts or any of the applications that they use for a company-wide basis. So cybersecurity, a top focus there. And I think that's what Palo Alto also talked about on their earnings call as well, just looking at some of the macro environment. And they did address how it's impacting their business and the markets they serve, but they saw the most challenging supply chain conditions the tech industry has ever seen last year. And so hopefully they'll start to see those eventually ease, is what they had also mentioned on the call too.
Well, it's interesting because some of these enterprise companies, particularly cybersecurity, make the case that this is not something that is discretionary at companies. And this Palo Alto quarter kind of lends some credence to that idea, right? The one thing that catches my eyes a little bit like was first quarter billings forecast, which came in a little bit lower than estimated, but beyond that, the forecast looks relatively strong here. The company, by the way, also declaring a 3-for-1 stock split. So that's something to keep an eye on. And they're doing an additional authorization for $915 million for share repurchases here. So it doesn't feel like necessarily a belt-tightening environment over at Palo Alto in the same way that it does for so many other companies.
Yeah, Julie, if you get an email from Ryan Sozzi, don't open it. Just don't open that email. Don't open it. It's not a good link. It's not a good link.
Ryan Sozzi?
I mean, this is, cybersecurity. I was looking for a, fun joke here. Liven it up.
That's his phishing name.
That's my alter ego.
Oh,
Ryan
Sozzi.
Instead of Brian Sozzi.
Yeah. Wow, Julie. Wow. It's almost Friday. Don't you wish I was back at home? Yeah, I know you do. It's okay.